Are you yearning for a coffee maker that seamlessly combines space-saving elegance with the unmatched convenience of Keurig brewing? Look no further than the Keurig K-Compact single-serve coffee maker. This slender marvel boasts a design tailored to fit your countertop exquisitely, promising not only a small footprint but also the delightful taste Keurig is celebrated for. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Space-saving marvel, design perfected. The Keurig K-Compact is a triumph of design ingenuity. Standing just over 8 inches wide, it's a space-saving wizard, leaving you with ample countertop real estate without compromising on performance. Its sleek black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making it both a functional appliance and a stylish accessory. Brew your way, variety at your fingertips. Experience the joy of brewing 6, 8, or 10 ounces cups of your favorite beverages in under a minute. The Keurig K-Compact plays host to an extensive selection of K-Cup pod varieties, offering everything from rich coffees to soothing teas, decadent hot cocoa, and refreshing iced beverages. The freedom to choose your perfect cup has never been more accessible. Versatile brewing. Beyond K-Cups, for those who prefer the personal touch of ground coffee, the Keurig Universal My K-Cup reusable coffee filter unlocks the possibility to brew your cherished blends. It's a nod to customization, ensuring every sip aligns with your unique taste preferences. Smart Start. Instant gratification. Brew with ease. The Smart Start feature of the Keurig K-Compact simplifies your morning routine. Heating and brewing seamlessly meld into one swift process, eradicating the need to wait for the machine to reach the optimum temperature. Select your cup size and watch your perfect brew come to life. Efficiency at its core, energy-saving brilliance. The Keurig K-Compact is not just a coffee maker, it's a responsible energy partner. The auto-off feature gracefully powers down the machine 2 hours after your last brew, contributing to energy conservation without compromising on performance. Adaptable to your lifestyle. Travel mugs welcome. Designed with your dynamic lifestyle in mind, the removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. No spill is too big to handle, and accidental brews are effortlessly contained, simplifying cleanup and ensuring a hassle-free brewing experience. More than coffee, hot water on demand. The Keurig K-Compact isn't limited to just brewing coffee. Open and close the brewer handle without a pod, select your cup size, and enjoy hot water on demand. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal, offering more than just a steaming cup of coffee. In conclusion, the Keurig K-Compact is not just a coffee maker, it's a daily companion designed to elevate your coffee experience. Compact yet powerful, efficient yet versatile, it's the perfect addition to your morning routine. Don't miss out. Click the link below and make the Keurig K-Compact a staple in your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.